Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Jansen Fancher and I have the pleasure of showing you this brand new 2021 Sea Ray 400 SLX. I'm sitting here on the transom, or I shouldn't say sitting, I'm standing here, and I've got a hydraulic swim platform, huge storage compartment over here on this rear facing lounger. What's great about this lounger is I've got the ability to lock this here while not underway, and I've got huge space. Not to mention, this platform here folds down and gives me so much more space. Lots, if you've got kids to play, run, jump, where you still have plenty of space for activities. This is a 40-foot bow rider. This extended sunshade here on the hardtop will actually come back to about right here and give you plenty of shade for those long, hot days here at Lake of the Ozarks. As we move forward, you've got trash cans, got a refrigerator, I've got a wine chiller, grill, you name it, this boat's got it. Wonderful teak table, plenty of seating all around, and you've got dual captain's chairs up here, plenty of space, plenty of line of sight. It's a great boat for Lake of the Ozarks, and not to mention, we've got Axios joystick here. I'm 6'1", and I've got plenty of space, fully standing up. Got a nice cabin underneath, and as we move forward in the bow, plenty of seating. 3 full-size adults can easily fit up here. If you guys have any questions, feel free to give me a call. My number is 573-606-3029. My name is Jansen Fancher. And if you have any questions, make sure to like and subscribe to our page. Thank you.